You hear me, yes?
Yes.
Yes. So we will speak about general sensitivity, and we will start about the definition. The sensory system provides information that places the individual in relation to the environment. Sensation may be classified into categories by various methods depending on anatomic or function. Anatomic classification divides sensory function into somatic and visceral components with general and special subgroups of each. Clinically, however, only somatic sensation is easily measured. So, about the classification, the first one is visual sensation. Any vision sight or ocular experience that could be described grayish is called an achromatic visual sensation. Any sight that could be roughly described as reddish or greenish is called an organic chromatic sensation. And any images that could be described as yellowish or bluish is called an inorganic chromatic visual sensation. Second one, thermal sensation. It's a strong feeling that are so hot or cold that they are hazardous are called dangerous thermal sensation. Warm or cool feelings that happen during routine human activity are called safe thermal sensation. Third one, somatic sensation. Any tactile or auditory perception associated with a sense of touch, pressure, hearing, or sound is called a somatic sensation. The fourth one and the last, flavors or gustatory perceptions that are produced when a substance in the mouth reacts with the nerves of the tongue and palate are called taste sensations. We specially consider sweet, sour, and salty flavors, but bitter, pungent, and metallic tastes are other well-known examples for among hundreds of distinctly recognizable flavors. So about the characteristics, the first one, sensitivity. People who are more sensitive react more strongly to sound, light, touch, smell, and taste. They may be bothered by tags in their clothing and be troubled by bright lights and loud noises. Their reaction to this stimuli may be also intense. What seem like a small nuisance may bring about a big response. About the second one, the high sensitivity. Children who are highly sensitive may react very strongly to their environment. They may be upset by the sounds of a loud truck outside or bothered by bright or fluorescent lights. They react to the satellite stimuli that may seem harmless to everyone else or even go unnoticed. The low sensitivity children with low sensitivity won't be bothered by suitable stimuli like sound or textures. Their reactions may be as strong when they are impacted by something. They may not cry when they fall down, even if they are hurt. And the type of disorders, sensory modulation disorder. The child experiences difficulty processing sensory information into appropriate behaviors responses which match in the intensity of the sensory information. Sensory-based motor disorder. This is where the child trouble controlling, planning, and supporting their movements into a smooth, coordinated, and sequence way. A third one, sensory discrimination disorder. This is where the child experiences difficulty distinguishing between similar sensations. They need additional time to process sensory information, and their capacity to perceive the information as quickly and naturally as other children do is reduced.